Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried to send a video through Outlook or Hotmail and got that annoying file too large error, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you exactly how to send videos through Outlook Hotmail, the right way. Whether your video is a few megabytes or several gigabytes, this guide will help you send it smoothly without losing quality. So stay tuned till the end, because I'll also share one quick tip to make your uploads faster and safer. Let's start with the basics. Emails usually have attachment limits. For Outlook, that's around 20 megabytes. Anything larger won't go through directly. But here's the good news. Outlook is fully integrated with Microsoft OneDrive, which lets you share large videos easily through a secure link. So here's how you can do it step by step. Log into your Outlook account, head over to outlook.com on your browser, click sign in, and log in with your Microsoft 365 or Outlook account credentials. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Just click Forgot Password and follow the recovery steps. Once you're in, you'll land on your inbox. Start a new email. Next, click on New Mail or New Message in the top left corner. This opens a new email draft. You'll see a paperclip icon or an Attach a File button at the bottom of the window. Normally, this is where you attach small files, but since we're dealing with videos, let's go one step smarter. Instead of uploading directly, select Upload and Share via OneDrive. Outlook will automatically upload your video to your OneDrive cloud storage. Once it's done, Outlook inserts a shareable OneDrive link right into your email. This means your recipient can simply click the link and download or stream the video from OneDrive. No size restrictions, no failed uploads. Make sure your OneDrive has enough space for your video, and if it's a very large file, compress it a bit beforehand using free tools like Handbrake or WinZip. Finalize and send your email. Now just fill out the usual details, enter the recipient's email address, add a subject, and type your message. Once everything looks good, hit send. Your email will be delivered instantly and the recipient can access your video directly from the OneDrive link without clogging up their inbox. And that's it. You've just learned the easiest way to send videos through Outlook Hotmail. No more worrying about file size limits or failed attachments. If this tutorial helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tech guides, and let me know in the comments if you want a full tutorial on compressing videos for faster uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.